my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lexi. If you are new, hi, hello, welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe. My name is Deja and I go by Lexi. So don't forget to subscribe and be a part of my family. We are fun over here. So today's video is all about a girl's talk. I've been wanting to do this video, but I thought that my channel was too small to this video, and you know, a lot of persons want to interact with me, but I totally ditched that thought and I'm going with it. I'm going bigger and go home. So I definitely need you guys to thumbs up this video if you guys like it, and don't forget to share with a friend and let them join, let them hear. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so grab your juice, grab your snacks, and let's get this. So the first thing I want to talk about is how to be confident with your body. So I need you guys to get the thought that social media paints as beautiful and sexy out of your head. It is not a one size fit all, and majority of those persons, they bought it.
Why you do it, John Crow?
That's as simple as it gets, okay? Love what you have, okay? Love that. So the second thing is, I want to challenge you guys, every time you take a shower, not to get dressed in the bathroom. I want you guys to come out of the bathroom and come in your room, close the door, close the curtains and whatever, and take that time to moisturize your entire body without clothes. So naked, okay? With every crease, I need you guys to moisturize from head to toe. And that time you take to moisturize yourself, within a week you will definitely find something about your body that you love. And before you know it, watch, is self-conscious. The other thing that I want you guys to do is to buy cute and sexy underwears. You guys don't understand how far the vast difference that make. Just if you alone know about it, if you don't have anybody, but it makes a vast difference just knowing that you're sexy and the pants that you have on is cute. It makes a vast difference, okay? And I also want you guys to take pictures. If you feel like, if you wake up one morning and you feel like you look cute, your outfit look cute, or your skin is glowing or stuff like that, take your pictures and save them, okay? I'm not saying to take nudes. That's not what I'm saying. What I said is take pictures. It can be nudes if you mind, if you don't. If you want a girl, take them. Just make sure that they're safe in your phone, and if you do by any chance send them to anybody, make sure that your face is not in them. Just if that person is dishonest and send them to somebody else, you're cool, because guess what, your face ain't in it.
No face, no case.
Okay, so the second thing I want to talk about is finding love. Society have this thing where you should find love at a certain age and settle down and all that, and you know, if you're too young to do this or you're too old to do this, you should have done that long. There's no manual. God did not send us here with a manual. There's no such thing, okay? So if you find that you're single, and don't worry about nobody else, take that time to invest in you. Find things that you like. Take yourself on dates, sis. You don't have to share your food with nobody. And to top that all off, you don't have to shave every week. You don't have to. Because guess what? Ain't nobody gonna know. Do that. And if you find that, you know, a relationship is not working out and you constantly have to give you 110% for the person and they're not meeting you halfway, and you say to the person like, you know, I feel like I'm giving more than you are giving it, you don't seem like you're interested in the relationship, and they don't change or show you that they're interested and they want to make a difference, pack your shit,
Run.
You go find somebody who's going to love you beyond this what you could ever imagine, sis. Look how much I win at the world here. I believe that God gonna send you one man to stress you out and make you maga. Stop it. We serve a living God. Him no wicked to you, sis. Him no wicked to you. Leave him. Don't worry. Maybe you're not supposed to be in a relationship. If you find that you're constantly in toxic relationship or relationships that are not prospering or they're not getting you anywhere, maybe it's time. God is showing you a sign that you should focus on you. Do you, boo. Maybe it's as simple as that. Okay, so as I said, take yourself on dates, enjoy yourself. You don't have to share your food with nobody. Find stuff that you like, dislike, invest in you, so when somebody comes along, you know what you're about and you don't settle for anything. Don't let nobody tell you that you're at an age to get married, so you just settle for anything that comes your way, whether them treat you good or respect you or not. Don't you dare. Don't do it, sis. Don't do it. Okay, so the third thing I want to talk about is vaginal hygiene. A lot of persons, are so self-conscious, and we're all females. This is something that we all need to know, because it's not something that we can get rid of or something that we can hide. Everybody knows if you're a female, you got a vagina.
That's a fucking lie.
So stop being so self-conscious. You have people to this day is scared of going in the pad aisle. To this day. If you're that person, comment it.
That's serious.
It's okay. You need to take care of it. You need it to smell nice. And I'm sorry to tell you, but it's not ever gonna smell like roses. Don't let no commercial tell you that shit gonna smell like roses. It's not gonna smell like no damn roses. It's not. Okay? So, the tips I have for you guys with vaginal hygiene is 1. Do not put nothing scented in it. Don't put nothing scented in it. There are a small amount of stuff that's supposed to go in it, and scented products ain't one. Y'all know the others. I don't need to tell y'all the others, but don't put nothing scented in it. Okay, don't do that. And like Summer's Eve and all those stuff, don't buy them. And next thing is limit thongs. They're cute and they don't show you the lines and stuff like that, but don't wear thongs every single day. It's not safe. Your vagina needs to breathe. And with that come, if you don't need to wear underwear when you're going to your bed, don't wear it. You can wear baggy shorts. I'm not saying you sleep naked, but then again, that's your business if you want to. But wear baggy shorts and no underwear. Just let it breathe. Next thing, if you find that you struggle with odor, use flushable wipes. Think of it as this. Say for example, this juice. You pour this juice on a surface and you use a dry paper towel to wipe it off. After a while, you go back, you will smell the juice and you will still feel the juice, the stickiness of the juice. It won't be completely off the surface. It's the same thing with your odor. If you find that you have odor, wiping with a dry tissue or antol or whatever you use to wipe won't get away the smell. It will still be there. It won't be as potent, but it will still be there. But the constant using the bathroom, the smell builds. So use flushable wipes. I'm not saying to use normal wipes and go clog up the toilet and that. Don't do that. Use flushable wipes. They're still in the supermarket, going the same aisle, the pad aisle that y'all are so scared of. Next thing, and look, anything that you put in your body is what comes out. If you find that you're having odor issues, drink a lot more water. Eat your fruits and your vegetables. If you constantly eat junk, then the smell of junk will come out. Drink water. Take your supplements, your vitamins and stuff like that. Everybody's not the same. Some persons have a higher body odor than some, and it's normal. It's okay. No, we're not judging. Just as long as you make the effort. You may need to do a little extra than a normal person, but as long as you do that, you're safe. Wear cotton underwears. You can't be in the silk and the lace and the polyester and those type of fabric every single day. Get yourself a good set of cotton underwears. And next thing, if you're the type of person that wear tampons all the time, take a break. You cannot wear tampons all the time, every single day. Especially if you're going to your bed, use a pad. Don't use a tampon every single cycle. No. Rest your vagina. Use make ear get full. Go. If you get what I'm saying. Like, don't wear tampons all the time. And if you on your cycle, you're supposed to keep a pad for 4 hours the most. 4 hours the most. You have some people say 8 hours. Only if you're sleeping you can do that, but if you're up and you're about, don't let 4 hours pass and you haven't changed, because you're going to get older and you're going to risk the chance of messing up your clothes, and that is the most embarrassing thing. I know that every female have a cycle or will get a cycle, but it's the most embarrassing thing to mess up your clothes, especially when you're in public. So to prevent that, make sure that you're on top of your checks. Always have a pouch in your bag or anything like that. Every handbag, my thing is every handbag that I have, every single handbag or purse or something like that, in the secret pocket there is a pad, just so that you're safe, just in case you come, and a panty liner. And if you're wearing a tampon, make sure that you're wearing a panty liner. It's a extra level of protection, just in case you leak on your everyday heavy days. You have that. It's not going to last you a long time, because you know panty liners are not meant to hold the flow, but it gives you that level of protection on your underwear or your clothes. Oh, I want to give you guys a bonus tip. If you find that you have really bad period cramps, start taking the pills at least 3 days before. So when you say, for example, you're supposed to have a cycle Thursday, start taking it from Sunday. Start taking the pills from Sunday, and it will definitely limit the pain when it actually starts. I'm not saying it's going to go away, especially if you have really bad pain like me. It will still be there, but it make it bearable, if you can say. You'll be able to move. You'll still be cranky, but the pain will be bearable. You can go about your day. Okay, so yes, that is all for you guys. Remember to be confident, because you're beautiful. Okay, take care of yourself. Whatever you put in your body is what comes out, and just be happy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you agree with anything that I have, or you have any tips that you want to, just comment it down below. We're helping each other here. We're a family here, so don't forget to like. Okay, give me a thumbs up, definitely, so I can know if you guys like these type of videos. And you need to subscribe and be a part of my family. We're on our way to 200 subscribers. If I can get 200 subscribers before tomorrow, that would mean a lot to me. It would mean the world to me. So definitely subscribe and share with a friend. These type of videos definitely help females. And thank you guys so much. Bye.